5 minutes after the wife leaves. Fail. Oh yeah, part finally came in. Look at that. Woo! Alright, gave it a nice little clean here. Had the air box off. We took the air hose and got some stuff all cleaned up in there. So let's see if this works better. Got the birdie new filter. We'll see if I can figure out all these extra parts. I got a lot of parts. Okay, well, we're getting the air box on. We got the ECM in. Wiring harness. One plug in. I think we're making progress. We'll see. Alright, now we'll get the tank on. And we'll see how we do here. We're slowly progressing along. So far have no unexplained parts, so that's a good sign. Okay, now comes the question. Will it start? Well, it starts. Will it run? We shall see. After all that work, it would appear I have a radiator leak. Yay. So, one job done, one more to go. Alright, well, since the filter was so much fun, we'll see if we get the do the radiator job. See how long this will take, or how much fun it can be. Get rid of some of this plastic. There's one thing nice with this, I don't have a whole lot of plastic to get rid of. Okay, now we got all that surround off. I'll try to get the hoses off. And I thought this would slide a little better considering I just had it off. Last week, I changed the coolant, but it's really in there. Goodness, hard to believe. I thought that thing would slide right out. There we go. Alright, now we'll see if we can get a bath. There we go. Huh. Well, that's actually a little concerning. Thought there'd be a lot more coming out than that. But, we'll see. I guess from what I understand, this should be the fan wire. So we'll pull that apart. And let's say just have to get one bolt out, I guess the way I understand. We're about to find out. Alright, there we go. Got her out. Yeah, one bad, just one bolt. You kind of slide out the back and pops right out. So that wasn't too bad. So with the reading of the service manual and not really knowing what I'm doing and getting told this all still, it took me about a half hour. So not bad at all. So now while we got this out, we're going to shine some light on this. We got this out, give me a chance to I'll clean up the block a bit. And while I got easy access, I'll do the brake fluid, the rear brake fluid was all over in here. So you gotta get some get a little more work done that you normally can't get into. So we'll see how that goes. And I forgot, so the fan don't come with it, so looks like just, of course I don't guess the first time, but looks like just 3 bolts pull the fan off. We'll see. Alright, well, we'll get in here. At least the block is nice and clean now. All that cleaned up. The rear brake fluid is a whole lot easier to get to this way. So, got the rear brake fluid clean. Got the block clean. It did exhaust a little bit, but well, it's out of here. Might as well. Got that ready to go, I think. So I just had to wait for it to get here. Well, of course, it's extremely frustrating or annoying to have to spend $1,000 almost. I think it was $800 for a radiator. And probably could have been prevented if I had a radiator guard. But in reality, I wasn't planning on keeping the thing 7 years. I kind of believed what other people said that it's only 650, you'll get bored with it, you want to upgrade, yada yada yada. So I figured I'd probably keep it for 2 years. So rather than spend the extra money for a radiator guard for not keeping it that long. 7 years later, I still got it. So been beneficial to spend the $200 on a radiator guard, but I didn't. But hey, these things happen. But I don't know, 7 years still have it. Of course, I added to the fleet, but still haven't got rid of this thing. So I'm planning on keeping it this long. So there you go. Okay, new radiator. So it does not go with the clips, so we'll change the clips over. Put the clips on to hold the fan. Okay. Hold the fan on. We'll try to slide it in. Try to get things lined up here. Hopefully. Maybe. What should go wrong? Okay, so it helps when you figure that the tabs go on the outside, not the inside. So got that. I'll start doing a one bolt. Get the hoses on. Alrighty. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a great and wonderful day. Oh, that's where I was going to go. Oh, well. Everybody's having a great, wonderful day. Getting out on the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Now we got the new radiator, got the new filter, got the new oil, got the new brake fluid. We got our all going. So now we're doing a good test ride here on a Sunday, March 5th, I believe. It's all good. I had 2 weeks done thanks to doing all this work, and somehow I goofed up with the upload and uploaded 2 videos in one day, so I had to redo that after it was already live. So I changed that, so I have no idea what order these are coming out now. Got all the work done on this, and I'll do the test ride, see if anything falls off or malfunctions. We'll get back or double check the fluids. But good afternoon, everybody. Everybody's having a good one here. Okay, little meandering trip here. Get some miles on this. Boy, the emergency vent's awful full. My goodness, that's not a good sign. It's quite windy. You know, it's all like 47, 15 mile an hour winds. That's a little nipply. But that's okay. I'm gonna get some miles on this and make sure all the fluids are good. Make sure there's no leakage. Alright, sorry it's a little non-forming here because, well, the audio recorder is doing its own little thing. The GoPro's doing its own little thing, so nothing matches as usual. And now this ain't even working very well, so hope you had a great and wonderful week. Thank you, even though 90% of you only watched 54 seconds. So most of you have not even seen this part, but if you made it this far, let me know and have a great, wonderful week. Thanks for watching. Till next time.